Do you need to migrate your MSG files directly to Office 365 mailbox without any data loss? Introducing Migrate MSG to Office 365 Migration Tool. A professional software that can export all MSG files to Office 365 account or MS Exchange server without any data loss. To download this software, go to Google and search for Migrate MSG to Office 365. On the search page, open the first website. This is the official website of Migrate software. Here click on the free download button to download the trial version of the software. Once the software is successfully downloaded on your device, right-click on the exe file and select the Run as Administrator option. As a result, the installation wizard will appear. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts and the software will be successfully installed on your device. After the installation is completed, right-click on the software icon and run it as administrator. This is the user interface of the software. Here first you will need to import your MSG files. For that, click on the Browse button. Choose the folder where your MSG files are saved. And then click on the OK button. Finally, click on the Add MSG folder button. As a result, all the MSG emails will be imported on this software. Simply just click on any folder, and you will get a preview of all the available emails at the top right panel. Then click on any email and you will get a preview of it at the bottom right panel. Now, click on the Office 365 button. In the Server Type field, select Office 365 or Exchange Server as per your needs. For this tutorial, I am selecting Office 365. Then enter your Office 365 email address. Enter the correct password in the password field. Finally, click on the Connect button. As a result, the migration process will be started, and once it's done, all the MSG emails will be successfully migrated to the Office 365 mailbox. That's all about the software tutorial. So if you have found this software useful, purchase it and enjoy all the premium benefits. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.